I'm Paige, and today I'll be taking you through Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Word. For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft's 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Do you have text that needs polishing? Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat can help. Open Word and click the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in the sidebar. Next, highlight the text you'd like to change, copy it, and paste it into the chat. Make sure to include your instruction. In this case, we're going to say, rewrite this paragraph and make it clearer and more professional, and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you an improved version. If you like it, copy it and paste it into your document. Make the necessary changes and go for it. Next, let's add some citations to our passage. In our Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, we're going to say, suggest academic references for the section on renewable energy, and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will provide citation ideas. You can copy them and edit them using the References tab. Your writing is now polished and credible, ready to impress. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Word.